gonna see if we can whip this thing a little bit. Hello Hennessey Performance fans, welcome to another great video. I am in a VELOCIRAPTor 6x6. Yes, you heard that right, 6 wheels, 6-wheel drive, and we have some of the excellent master technicians and fabricators that were a part of this project and this project for the past several years. We've got Jason and Brad, who are actually brothers. They're the Geigley brothers, who are our master fabricators, who have developed and engineered this unbelievable machine. And then we also have Austin, who did the suspension and the horsepower upgrade on this truck. So, wow. This thing's pretty wicked. Yeah. We've been around them before, we've done a lot of them, but this is actually gonna be one of the last ones that we build, that we see, just because the Gen 2 Raptor production is over. So it's sad to see it come to a close, but I'm excited to see the Gen 3 Raptor and what we do with that thing. Just so everybody knows, this is a fully functional 6x6, 6-wheel drive with a pass-through axle. Oh, and by the way, it has 600 horsepower. And it sounds good too. It's got Brembo brakes, baby! 6-piston brakes up front, just slowing this thing down.
I think the stuff we do back there, I don't see how a whole lot that could break. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like it's held in place maybe too well.
Yeah. This is a very.
But I'm not telling you to break it.
Yeah. This is a very rugged truck. 37-inch tires times 6. Yeah. It's got a huge, massive bed. It's 8 feet long, so you can have a lot of cargo, but we actually do have some customers that really off-road the crap out of these, and they have some great results, great traction, all sorts of good stuff.
I'm surprised it drives so well.
It does.
Having 6 working tires.
I mean, I've gotten into them quite a bit, but I guess it's when you're not driving that. It's like, it's really a factory size.
Can you get a crew cab F350 with an 8-foot bed?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this
I think that's pretty common.
It's the same size then.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
yeah, it's a fact. There is a truck out there this long, F-150.
So it's not that unbelievably big that you wouldn't even want to drive it anywhere.
You can park it at the mall.
Yeah.
What do you think's gonna happen with the TRX?
It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, I think so too. But just say 600, then 12.
I know. Yeah. So for anyone that hasn't been watching our website or social media, then you probably missed out on us announcing the Mammoth 6x6. So the Mammoth 6x6s are going to have 1,200 horsepower, which is actually double the horsepower of this 600 horsepower 6x6. So that horsepower is going to be achieved with a Elephant engine. If you don't know what a Elephant engine is, it's a 7-liter V8 supercharged engine from Dodge, from FCA, and 1,200 horsepower is not going to be bad.
No, that would be kicking the pants.
And these guys are tearing into the TRX 6x6 right now. So you guys better stay tuned and watch out. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for building this awesome beast of a truck. I know that the customer is going to be psyched out of their mind to get this thing back. And for anybody who really loves 6x6s, stay tuned. The Gen 2 VELOCIRAPTor 6x6 is likely done, but we have bigger and better and more horsepower on the way for you. Hit that subscribe button. See you next time.